This could be us. So back to what I was saying. Could be us.
What's booming, YouTube? It's your guy DH Pabro back again with another video. Here with just a couple crackers to make some noise. We got a milkman right here. We got a green apple right here. And then right here we got some red flowers. I ain't even want to open these, but I'm definitely going to shoot at least light a couple. So, all right, y'all, let's make some noise real quick. Got a few red flowers here. Let's make some noise. Nice. Woo! Nice. Those is real nice. Nice. Got the milkman. Let's try it out. Milkman. Shit. Nice. Got the green apple. Let's try it out. Got the green apple. God damn. Like, comment, and subscribe. Got a few lightning bugs right here. As you see, I got the fuse to it. And right in the middle there, I got a fast fuse. I don't know if you can see it. The white fuse right there. So you can see if it hit all of them at the same time. Let's try it out. Oh, 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 oh. That was cool.